That's why I'm out of here.
I'd be afraid. Not to get in there with it, but I'd be afraid.
I'm not afraid to get in there. I'm just afraid
I'm afraid I'd cut.
that gate if you want to come in right there.
I'd cut it really bad. That's what I'd be afraid of. I guess it's no different when a groomer nicks your dog and gets it a hot spot. So.
Or saving their legs. Yeah.
Where's the air at? Right here? There.
Right here. Can you sell that truck?
Yeah.
Can you sell that wood?
Yep.
Nice. What'd you say?
Full of cockleburrs.
Yeah, but they got that stuff that they put through it and they comb it all through and everything. So.
I know. I'm getting lost.
She's laying her head down.
Well,
her
the air
eyes
goes,
over there.
you put it down, you can't see it.
Yeah, the eyeball.
I know. I'm just
open and choking here. Oh, you might pull your ear.
what's it doing? Something new to do, all right. Does that feel better?
Is that llama pregnant? Or is it just fat?
That feels good.
Which one? That black one that's laying over there.
The black one? You'll be able to pregnant.
I was just saying, she's huge. Want it thinner?
It'll be,
When'd she do?
November.
June, no, June or July.
Who?
The black llama.
Yeah, they put in the heat 1 week after they nailed her.
Yeah, I'm 11 months gestation.
11 months?
That's how long a horse is.
It was born in June 7th, I'll have you know. Yeah, I know what that was.
Hay cutting.
June 7th is when they were born. I know, I figured July.
I'm the one doing it. Okay. Yeah, that's dry then.
I was gonna say, if that thing is that much fat, I would hate to say it's a bad face job, let me tell you.
A lot of fur on her too.
Is there?
Yeah.
You're still beautiful.
You got eyebrows. Careful.
I can't believe she's being that good.
Oh well.
There's those things.
Don't bother anyone.
Yes, I was trying to feed them.
That's Nancy Priest.
Sorry.
You got one side.
I'm waiting for those. There's got two of them that stink, the black and white. Well, one was really stiff. They said he didn't stiff.
I wanted to make one of them faint. I want to see it.
There you are. Pretty on that side.
Oh, you're just so pretty. This dog is something else. We about ran it over about 10 times on that thing. It's just nosy.
Yeah.
Actually doing very good for a 2-minute video.
Yes, they are.